weeks ago, I uploaded my very first YouTube video, and now we've just hit 1,000 views. Thank you. It's a milestone that feels very small, but it means everything to me. It's not just about the numbers, it's about what it represents: dedication, curiosity, and believing in yourself when the world hasn't even noticed me yet. Let me take you back 2 weeks ago. I was staring at my screen, wondering if anyone would watch my video. Would anyone watch my content if I start creating on YouTube? I feel like I've failed on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and I don't know, but I trust the process. I was nervous, scared, and excited that I might just be another lost creator in the crowd. That very first video I uploaded refined my thoughts. Because when I started, I didn't know what to expect actually. I just knew I had something to share. 1,000 subscribers might seem like a tiny number in the world of millions, but every view matters. This means that 1,000 people at some point clicked on my content, like 1,000 people. If you want to picture 1,000 people in the room, you will understand what I mean. Out of all the videos out there, they chose mine, and that is powerful. I remember when I uploaded that very first video, I kept on refreshing my channel every 5 minutes, waiting for the views to roll in. The very first view came from, well, myself. You understand? But then slowly another view came in, and I was like, who is this other person? And then another view. Now I can look back and laugh because a view meant a lot to me. I just want to encourage you, there is power in consistency. Here's what I've learned in the past 2 weeks. Consistency is everything. I know a lot of people are saying there's consistency this, consistency that. Yeah, I know you've heard this a million times, but I'm telling you again, consistency is everything. Creativity and great ideas, they all matter, but if you're not showing up for your audience, if you're not showing these great ideas, trust me, you won't grow, you won't move an inch, because every upload, every comment, every thumbnail matters. And even if you think no one's watching you, keep going. My failing videos might start getting views someday. You never can tell. You just have to trust the process. Now, the past 2 weeks have taught me a lot about myself. I've learned how much patience this journey requires. Guys, if you're not patient, don't start this journey, because this time around, it's the patient dog that will eat the fattest bone. I've learned that perfection is overrated, and it is important to just start showing up, because some videos won't perform exactly how you want them to, while others will blow away. It is all part of the ride. I don't have any viral video yet, but I trust the process. Though my videos are not perfect, I spend hours trying to perfect one video, but they keep flopping. I want you to know that the community is everything. One of my biggest parts in this journey so far is my community. It's you. Because every time someone leaves a comment, subscribes, or like my video, I'm reminded that this isn't just about me. It's a conversation, and we are building something together. I still remember the first comment I got. It was magical because someone cared enough to leave their thoughts. That's what is magical about YouTube. It connects people around the globe in ways that we can't even measure. So what's next? Hitting 1K views is just the beginning, right? The goal is not to stop here. It's to keep pushing and creating, and to keep learning, because I know the next 1K views will come, and the next 10,000. But the real win for me is growth. Personal growth and professional improvement. If you've ever thought about starting something, whether it's a YouTube channel, a hobby, a business, this is your sign. You don't need 1 million subscribers to feel accomplished. Start with one step. Start with your first video. Start with that first idea, because that's how it begins. And maybe in 2 weeks, you have 1K views or even more. Think about this. Most creators started where I am right now. where you are now. They didn't just have millions of followers overnight. They had an idea, a passion, and they showed up for it consistently. That is the key, girl. So just keep showing up. If you're watching this and you've been thinking about starting something, what's stopping you? Drop a comment and let me know if you've been struggling to start a YouTube channel. 1K views may be very small in the grand scheme, but it's the beginning of something bigger. I am so excited for what is to come, and I'm so glad that you're here at the very beginning of this journey. Until next time, keep chasing those dreams and those views.